My differential capacitive touch pointer invention has been used to make a handheld mouse-like controller and embedded in an automobile steering wheel for infotainment control. Its high resolution in such a thin and small form affords many other opportunities, for example, as a pointing device embedded in a standard keycap. You might even be able to operate it with your tongue, but why would anyone want to do this? A circuit like this, in the shape of your palate, can hold itself in place against the roof of your mouth with light spring pressure provided by the flexible circuit board. On the side accessible to your tongue are etched pads for the pointing device and discrete capacitive button switches. A loop antenna is etched around the periphery of the other side. Electronic devices attached to this side control the pointer and switches and communicate with a transceiver located outside your mouth, for example, as a lapel button. Near-field communication provides power as well as a means to communicate, so the circuit in your mouth needs no other power source. This would be an ideal hands-free navigation and control mechanism if you could control the pointer with your tongue. Before even considering precision, we need to know whether the device will respond in a generally reasonable way to tongue movement. To determine this, I have modified one of the handheld pointers, replacing its internal touchpad with an external one located at the end of a waterproof extension. Since we can't see what the operator is doing inside her mouth, she is first licking the pad like a lollipop to let us see that the cursor moves in the same direction as her tongue. The cursor moves further when she moves her tongue faster. This acceleration is optimized for finger control and is not yet working very well for the tongue. When she puts the device in her mouth, holding the pad up to her palate, it continues to function as it does outside the mouth. In fact, she has better control in this position because her tongue has a more precisely defined contour.